So I have chosen to use Google Drive, which I opened up whenever I started my Google Doc actually, which I've used for other classes as well. So within my Drive, I created 3 folders so far. One is for the Google Docs that I'm going to share with other people within this class. Another is for resources that I've used, so I am including a list, which has been started over here, of the different resources I've used in either my blog post or different screencasts and things of that nature, so that I can keep track of what I've already used and resources I've liked so far. And then I also have my screencast links, which I'm going to start soon, which will include just all the different links to the different videos so I can find them quickly and easily. Now, looking within the folder here, I have a Google Doc that I have already shared with someone before, and you can see here the comments on this side, which comes from sharing. So now I'm going to show you how to start a new Google Doc and also how to share it. So, say I open up the Google Doc, I have my title page, and I type a text. So if I would like somebody to maybe edit that text or share it, I can come over here and click on share, and I type in the title for my document. So let's say passport 1. I will save that title, and then I can enter a name or email address that I have. So I'm just going to share this one with my Purdue email. And after sending an invitation, it will allow them to view my document and also make comments or changes to it that they see fit, which is really helpful for when you're trying to get new ideas or you're trying to edit a very difficult piece. So this will be very helpful throughout this course.